Hi everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here and want to see more crafty related videos, I guess redecorating my house is crafty at the moment, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So, not very many people know, but I decided to do my bathroom also. I know my head's not in front, and maybe I'll get over here so you can see me a little better. But I decided to redo my bathroom, and I'm trying to do it on a budget. So I have these shelving units that I made when I first moved in. I wanted shelves in my bathroom because it's a very tiny bathroom and not a lot of storage, which is pretty much what my whole house has been. So these tiny, small spaces, you gotta find storage where you can. I've spent about $200 to redo my whole bathroom, and I didn't want to spend any more, so instead of buying new shelf hangers, I guess is what you want to call them, shelving brackets, I decided I'm just going to spray paint them to match the rest of the hardware that I have in my bathroom, which includes the new shower towel bar and toilet paper roll holder thing, whatnot. So I just went to Walmart and I picked up some Rust-Oleum spray paint. It's hammered silver, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint these. I didn't do a before of what my bathroom looked like video, but I will be doing an after. I did get a couple pictures of my process, so after you see me spray paint, I will insert some pictures of the before and some of the process. But like I said, since my bathroom is such a small bathroom, like it's super small, one person is crowded in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those photos after I'm done spray painting these, and then at the end of this video is going to be showing you guys my the new look to my bathroom. Now, I don't know how this can works at all. Okay, well, I figured it out. Thank God I didn't have it by my face. So I'm going to go ahead and just shake this up and give these a quick spray, and you will see the rest after. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really like how this color is and how evenly coating this can gives it. So just gonna go through here, get at least one side done, and then when it dries I will do the other side. What I have these on is my old medicine cabinet. I bought a new one for this project, so we'll use the old one as a spray paint table. I'm just trying to get them coated pretty well. And then we'll let this dry and flip them over and do the other side. So, stay tuned. Alright you guys, it is time for the reveal of the bathroom. Now, the coral that is used on camera for some odd reason seems super orangey, but it's really not. It's a coral. It blends in with my shower curtain and so forth. But this is my bathroom. I hope you guys like the makeover. So, first is the cabinets. The cabinets were a really dark brown, old And I found these little decals at the Dollar Tree, and the reason why I have them on there is because of how old the cabinets are. The knobs that were on those before actually left a pretty decent hole. We tried filling them in the past, but because they are hollow doors, it wouldn't fill. You'd have to put brand new doors on there, and so I just covered up the holes with some wall decals. Another thing that we did in here was sorry I look crazy, it's early morning, the kids are still sleeping. We put in a new medicine cabinet. The other one was like a natural wood color, but it was falling apart because of how old it was. And then we also put in a new brighter light. The lights that were in here were pretty old, probably from back in the 70s, to be completely honest. And I'm going to blind you guys for a second. And they was very yellow tone-ish. So, bam, new light. So that is that part. Now, unfortunately, I can't do a new sink or anything like that. That one just stays there and so forth. So over here I have a curtain. I got this curtain off of Amazon, and it's blocking a very ugly window that isn't even used. I've asked several times if he could board that up or put shelves in there because of how small our bathroom is. More shelving space is needed, but he hasn't. And the window that's behind there actually leads into our storage room. That used to be like an indoor porch, but the people that lived here before us broke up all the windows and he just boarded it all in and so forth. So there's that. There is my shower curtain. It says everybody needs some vitamin C, which is so true. And then these are the shelves that I was working on. They were actually gray, which you can kind of see a little bit on here. It took us hours to sand off that paint. I don't know where I got that paint from, but I wish I knew, because that paint was absolutely amazing and it took forever to get off. But some of it didn't come off, but I kind of like it because it gives it more of a rustic-y feel to it. But there's the shelves that I did, and I just keep like my hair products on the first shelf with my face products. And then I have my makeup in those two baskets. Yes, I have two baskets full of makeup. I know, I'm ridiculous. And then another basket full of extra like body lotions and stuff like that. So, and then up here we also did get a new light fixture that we put in. So that is how my bathroom turned out. Like I said, we did get new bars and stuff like that in here. I absolutely love this toilet paper roll, and I spent a lot of money on that toilet paper roll. Don't judge me, I know. But the one that was here was a cheap plastic one from the Dollar Tree, and my kids absolutely destroy it and can never put the toilet paper on the toilet paper roll right. So this one right here we kind of invested a little bit of money for, and it just swings up. Oop. It just swings up and back down. I mean, I'm a squirrel, so that kind of worked for me. And this is the other view from the shower. That picture was my grandma's picture, and I didn't have anywhere to put it, so I thought it'd be perfect for in the bathroom. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.